Good morning, garden friends. I am hoping everyone is having a fantastic start to their new year. I have some exciting news to share with you guys. Our garden has been chosen to be showcased in the 2024 Keep Smyrna Beautiful Garden Tour. I am so excited to have this opportunity for others and possibly even some of my subscribers to come and actually see the garden. Just want to give you guys just a little idea of what the process is. They end up driving around or asking for volunteers to see if they would be interested in having their home showcased. Was going to the different homes that was showcased and ended up meeting one of the directors and just in conversation, just as far as, being interested in, gaining some more information about the Keep Smyrna Beautiful Garden Tour. Well, a couple weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, they came out to our home because the process is they walk around, take a look at your garden, ask you questions about your garden, and also get a feel, for you. And then they told me that they go back to the board and present the gardens that they ended up going and looking at, and then the board makes a decision on which garden will be showcased in the garden tour. So I ended up getting the official letter in the mail that let me know the schedule for the tour, which will be May 4th, 2024 from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. There is a total of 6 of us. I don't know who the other homeowners are that are going to be in the garden tour. Like I said, I am so excited about having this opportunity to, participate in the Keep Smyrna Beautiful Garden Tour. And to me, it's actually more than just a garden tour because of what they do. And the thing too, in regards to Keep Smyrna Beautiful, that, I think it goes beyond just my garden being showcased, is they offer so many programs for people to volunteer at. You got Adopt a Stream, Adopt a Tree. That is when they go in and to an area that's going to be developed and rescue sapling trees, and then have the opportunity for individuals to be able to pick them up for free. It's coming up where they are recycling Christmas trees, mulching them up to make mulch, which I think is this coming Saturday. The eco-friendly programs that they have for young kids, I think it's bigger than just being able to showcase my garden in the tour, but to be a part of something that impacts our lives, our environment, So I like I said, I'm just so excited for the opportunity to have my garden showcase. But in my head, it's like, oh my God, everything just has to be perfect. And I gotta make sure I don't fall back into my routine of perfection. I want it to be pretty, but just, make sure I keep things under wrap to do. Oh, let me tell you this. Okay, so when they came out to visit my garden, see the garden, it was a beautiful Saturday. The next day was the day that the mini tornado came through and took out our back fence that we have just gotten installed. So they, like I said, they came out that Saturday, that Sunday. was when that storm came through and wiped out, my fence. So this was a good thing, because one of the things that we did do, the fence is actually 7 foot tall for the back area because we wanted just a little bit more privacy. So that'll be something that once the weather breaks, we'll have to go ahead and get it stained to the dark slate color that the rest of the fence is. So let's just walk around, and I'll share with you guys just some of the things that I'm going to be doing prior to the garden tour. And mind you, some of this stuff was already in the works on my checklist for what I wanted, to have done to my garden. So come along with me. We're gonna head up to where the secret garden is. Okay, so up here in the secret garden, as I had mentioned before, we're gonna be putting the fence, continuing the fence the whole length of the way, because we don't want to be capturing my neighbor's license when I'm filming up here. And then the other things that we're doing, you see how the bed here is, we're gonna extend it the entire length of where the sunshine ligustrum are, because my husband tells me it's a pain for him to have to weed whack around all the shrubs. So we figure if we just go ahead and extend the raised bed all the way down, it'll also give me more area to put my flowers. And then I gotta, make sure my boxwoods are nice and trimmed. The other thing, as I had mentioned before, I'm gonna be swapping out my rose bush and my muley grass, switching those guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. My sweet peas. This version I got from one of my garden buddies. It is a perennial. Look at that. And then I got one on this side. I think one is white and the other one is pink. And the goal is to trail it up the arbor, and then I'm gonna run it along the fence on both sides as it grows, because when I got it from my friend, hers was just massive. So those are some things that, I'm gonna be doing up here in the secret garden, but everything is looking nice. Spring, get all of my hydrangeas that are not cut back. Oh, and then I definitely got to make sure that I get me some bubblegum petunias, because I want that all filled in on both sides. That'll just look so nice back here, because I know last year it was me pulling teeth trying to find a vendor out here that had the proven winners, bubblegum petunias. All right, and this will be another area, both sides of the driveway, to be able to also get some proven winners, bubblegum petunias in here. Or I know they have a yellow that I might want to try out this year, seeing that my colors are more pastel, yellows and whites. So, and definitely think this new garden bed will look amazing filled with petunias, along with the other perennials that I have in there. So those are about the only thing that I'm really gonna have to do for preparation of the Keep Smyrna Beautiful garden tour. once again, I am like so excited about this opportunity. I will keep you guys all posted in regards to the process, because I do know we're supposed to be meeting in February and then again in March, to have the opportunity to be able to meet the other gardeners that their garden is going to be showcased. So thank you again for visiting Inspiring Garden Corner. Excited about how 2024 is starting off, and I so welcome you taking this journey with me. So if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing and liking my page. Have a great day.